5-minute crafts. What are you doing?
Key, the broken key.
They have the key, and then what they're gonna do? Oh my! They're gonna
just melt it. And
they're gonna
what?
melt it. What are we gonna do with it now? So we have a key and it's melted, and now we have a car key in our hand, and we're putting goo on it, and we stick it in the goo, and you just think that's a good idea? Like really?
I'm not sure.
And then what? You have a mold of your hand, so you pour some tin in it? What?
No.
Wait, what happened to the key? Is it still in there?
I guess so.
So you have what you just have this thing of your thumb? Why? What good is this doing for humanity? 5-minute crafts, let me know.
It's actually a regular viewer of 5-minute crafts right here.
And then you're drilling in the bottom of it so you can what? So you can what? You can put a stick in it? So you can put a stick in it? You think you're cool and and you put a stick in it? You like it now?
This madness.
So what? You know you're just making a stick. Okay.
Okay. Really, what about key there? You know?
Yeah, the key is still in there. Okay, so this guy's chipping away, chipping away.
It shouldn't be the key there because he put his thumbs with the key inside and take it out.
He pulled it out.
But
the realization.
Yes.
Maybe he put it in there anyway. I don't know. Maybe he's a madman. He looks like a madman. He just looks like he does this stuff for a daily basis, you know?
Yeah. Okay, it's gonna be hammer, right? Or something like...
yeah.
It's actually very brutal.
It's a pretty brutal hammer, actually.
Like,
watch out for that thumb.
Come to me, you know, I can
Who you think you're messing with? You owe me money, little John. You mess with the wrong man.
But thumbs up to you.
You think you can mess with my empire. That's pretty cool. I like the ring as well. It makes it a little bit cooler, actually.
Yeah, that's nice. How did they put it?
We got the aluminum can. All right.
Okay.
Put it in there. Take it out. Put it through the pressing machine. That thins it.
Yeah, I love this machine.
Me too. Yeah.
It's like always.
Yeah. I wonder how it would feel to put your finger through it.
Whoa.
Okay, so we have a finger mold, and it looks like we're making a ring.
I guess it's a ring, or maybe it's necklace.
It could be a necklace. It's pretty small. Yeah. maybe for like a doll. Okay, we get the little Dremel, and we're buffing it out.
Okay.
Take it off. And it looks like we're going to make little indentations or something.
Excuse me, what?
Indentations, like little tuk 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 tuk.
Okay,
yeah.
But why?
It looks like they're gonna make it. Oh,
okay.
This isn't a ring, is it?
It's not all.
Maybe it is.
No, oh, look at this. There's three of them. It's like, wow.
It's like a scary ring. Okay.
It looks kind of ugly for now, but maybe it's gonna be better.
Little ugly, I would say.
But they need to melt this part where they attaching to each other.
Yeah. So
hold it well.
We're making little holes places. Okay.
It's gonna.
It's not even entirely, but.
Okay.
Oh! Dang. That's cool.
That's nice.
Never mind. I take back everything I said about everything. I'm wrong about my entire life. Okay.
I heart you.
I heart you too
much.
Oh, too much. Okay, so that looks bad.
Yeah, that could be better, to be honest. But maybe in
maybe after it's shined up, yeah, could be.
But
let's see. Aw, babe, I heart you.
It looks kind of bigger than her finger.
Yeah, it's a little too big, but that is as a necklace. I love it so much.
It looks like a Louis Vuitton or something.
It does look like that symbol, yeah, a little bit.
They think they did it on purpose?
Probably. Ooh, they're casting it already.
Wow.
I'm already satisfied.
Mind blowing.
Just kidding. Let's see more. Where are we going with this cast?
Wow.
What are we doing? Is that kinetic sand?
Yeah.
I have so many questions.
Okay.
What's the meaning of life? Why did I fail high school?
No. Came back to the video.
Oh, yeah.
yeah. What a perfect stamp.
Why, Mrs. Larson? Why? Okay, so we have a nice little stamp there. Cowhide.
Which was perfectly cast.
Is that messed up using a cow to make a pet's
jewelry?
That's
Is that kind of messed up? Is it just me? Let me know, PETA. Okay. So anyway, we have.
how should we stop?
It looks like we have a nice little
Yeah.
collar going on here. Little collard
Yeah.
greens, little collar. Okay. Is it
Well-
for a cat, a dog? What do you think?
For a dog?
I think it's for
the cat?
for a hamster. It's probably for a gerbil.
Oh,
Maybe
see?
a Hungarian rat mouse. Oh, cat gives money.
Yeah.
Do you know in Japanese in their like
What?
they have like the cats that give you money, like they're for good luck, for wealth. Those little cats
What?
that go like this.
Ah, this one.
Yeah. What are those called?
Yeah.
Tell us down below. We're ignorant of everything.
So does mean that cats has some money?
Yes, cats do have money. That's what it means.
Okay.
They look like they have money, and they're not. We're willing to share it with us. It's just like the cat look.
I have some question for my cat.
Yeah.
Where's my money?
Where's my money, cat? The cat's just like
It's my money.
pushes your stuff off the table.
Get out of here, right?
Ooh, it looks like a Pizza Hut table, like that they have on the pizzas to keep. Do you know those little tables aren't actually to pretend that you're a giant? They're to keep the top of the cardboard from touching your pizza.
If you didn't know, yeah.
Yeah.
That's true. Okay, what,
Grinding. A little too much information there. What?
no, I'm just disappointed of the graph so far.
It's okay.
But I hope
It looks
it's
kind of
all-
ugly, but Tom,
Tom
like Tom and Jerry.
and Jerry, right?
Tom.
Oh,
miss
you
Tom
know
and
the Jerry was a female or male? Do you know this?
I heard that it was a female.
I heard that this was a male.
I thought because. Oh no, it makes sense. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
And
Tom looks good. Tom looks handsome.
so they both was the men.
So they were both men, okay. Because sometimes Jerry had a little, like, he had eyelashes that would bat and stuff, from what I recall. So I thought he was a woman.
Maybe I'm wrong. Just let's
Maybe
trust
he's
him.
both. I don't know.
Yeah.
It kind of looks like a grumpy cat, a little bit. Like a young grumpy cat. Before its prime. Cutie! So cute! Yay! Do you think the cat knows that it's a cutie? Do you think that you need to tell a dog that it's cute, or that other people need to think, oh, I only think he's cute because he has a dog collar that says cutie on it? Very silly. Very silly. Angel 555 555 55. Wait, I forgot. Wait, I have to start over. 555.
Don't give up. Okay.
All right. What do we? Is this like an epoxy resin mold?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have a coin.
Okay.
Taking out our coin,
This is illegal.
making fake money, putting it in the thing, and
This illegal.
illegal as heck.
Yes, sneaky.
Wee. Okay, we're making a little doll mold
Okay.
with metal doll.
Yeah, this should be strong enough.
Yes. Your daughter's like, or your son or daughter's like, I can't play with dolls. They're too babyish. Okay, fine. I'll make it out of metal.
Oh, now it's better.
Now it's sick. Thanks, mom, dad. Mad. All right.
That's too small, I guess.
I don't know. I think like if you give your cat like a little, especially with catnip, you're not supposed to give him that much of it. So it could be like a little snack for him.
Okay, but for me it's still small.
Okay.
But okay.
I know size matters. I get it. Everyone's saying it.
Wait, what is it gonna be?
I actually don't know. This is a really confusing little thing here.
It's like a weird spoon, you know?
Ah, yeah, it looks like a spoon now.
What? No freaking way.
Delicious spoon soup. All right.
Okay. Wrench.
Got a wrench. We pour this in. Unfortunately, the type of the metal that they use is very weak and bendable and malleable, and it works.
And do you know why we know it? We tested this.
We tested
So
this
go
on
to
our other
page.
videos.
Yeah.
Watch our page.
Uh-huh.
Okay, we have foot. No.
I wouldn't
no,
stay
no.
on it. No. It's not the same as to step on nails, I guess.
Yeah, no.
They should be more close to each other.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Am I right?
You could be wrong. We could be wrong.
We
We
could
could be
be
wrong
right.
about everything.
Yeah. So
We are
we will have
experts
you
of
to
the
let us
internet.
know. What?
We're internet experts. We're not actual experts.
With sofa expert.
We're sofa experts. Yeah.
No, actually, we're doing sometimes.
Yeah, we do stuff.
Yeah.
It's pretty good stuff. You should watch it.
Yeah.
Okay, we got tape. Putting it in there. 18, so we're making for an 18th birthday.
For cake?
Congratulations, you can join the army, but you can't drink yet. Okay, seahorse.
Uh-huh.
Ah!